Watching on as a 1,000-foot-long freighter navigates the Soo Locks is an incredible sight. The massive ships, the narrow margin of error, it's a sight to be witnessed for sure. Being in the locks is a whole different experience. With the Soo Locks Boat Tours, you are able to do just that. The tours are a way for visitors to be able to get as close to the locks as possible by being on a vessel making its way through the lock system. Operating for over 70 years, the tours provide an unrivaled experience in this region. The tour will give participants a chance to experience locking through the locks, going both upbound to Lake Superior height and downbound the 21 feet to Lake Huron levels. The boats are very well appointed with both enclosed and open seating areas, as weather can fluctuate wildly here within the hour, with the enclosed seating areas being climate controlled. Both refreshments and restrooms are also on board to help ensure all passengers are comfortable for the duration of the approximately 2-hour tour. The tour makes sure to see all 4 U.S. locks. While on board, the captain always makes it a point to showcase the other main attractions while on the tour. The other major attractions are comprised of the hydroelectric plant, the historically significant areas of the region from the water, a crossing underneath the International Highway Bridge, as well as a pass in front of the Algoma Steel Mill on the Canadian side, which is an impressive production facility with major activity on the river as well as on the shore. Another distinct advantage to taking the Soo Locks Boat Tour is that there is no other way you can get as close to the Great Lake freighters while they are on their voyages. The Soo Locks Boat Tour boats share the same St. Mary's River waters, and the staff on board have great knowledge of the ships that sail these waters frequently. Aside from the most popular Soo Lock tour, the company also provides other cruise options from the same 2 docks on Portage Street, right in the heart of Sault Ste. Marie. With the numerous lighthouses in the area, the 4.5-hour narrated cruise is one of the other popular offerings. Nightly dinner cruises with full buffets are also a very popular choice too. The dinner cruises depart at 5:30 and spend several hours on the water and always include travel through the locks as well. Not to be outdone, the fireworks cruises on Canada Day, July 1st, and Independence Day, July 4th, are spectacular ways to view the fireworks shows on both of those occasions. Thanks for visiting, and we hope to see you soon. This experience has been brought to you by Sault Ste. Marie Convention and Visitors Bureau in partnership with Hospitality Mentality 360.